Hello and welcome to Hanson How to YouTube playlist. In this video, we're going to teach you how to access student resources on campus login to help you to be successful in school. You have to log in again. And we have two links that can help you. The first is called Need Help. This is a page with school resources, a campus map that shows you where the classrooms are, peer mentoring to help you study, health and wellness resources such as mental health, our counseling service, provincial insurance card, as well as other resources like managing your finances, transit, parking, MyCIC, and as well as some tips about housing and renting. The other important link that we have is called the Student Manual. The Student Manual is like a guidebook on how to be successful and what the rules are in school. Thanks for viewing this video, and don't forget to click the links in the description below to find out how to study better in college. Join us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.